How to reset free gifts on Temu. Let us do this quickly, guys. So you can either choose and press on get these 6 free gifts. For example, get now. You can spin, then you will get your free gifts. And let me show you how to reset them. All right, now we choose which one. 6 free, great. Okay, and in here the trick is as follows. You add your 6 free gifts, right? I'm just gonna add the random ones, or you can just add less, this cap, for example, right? Okay, so 100% off in everything, as you can see. Let's add this too. And now to reset it, you just choose, as you can see, we have this little line with the little images of our things that we have added. Press on that, and now choose something else instead. For example, this t-shirt. Press on repick, all right? Choose a side and add. And now, as you can see, it's swapped. You successfully just reset it. And you can just add 6 gifts. If you're not satisfied with something else, you can just reset it and add as many as you wish. And yeah, pretty much just pick all of them perfectly just the way you want it. That's the trick. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, like and subscribe.